One of the things about shooting models is that there's a challenge. If you look at this model right here, you notice there's a beautiful red rose. My challenge as a photographer is to make sure that the model always looks better than the rose. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video on PRINCIPETV. Today we're going to be doing a quick photo shoot. I have the Nikon 5500 with me today, and I'm going to be using 3 lenses. This is the 24-70. With me, I'm also going to take my kit lens 18-55, and I have my portrait shot one for the 50mm. So we're going to have some fun with this. Very important, guys, if you're going to do a photo shoot, make sure you get yourself a few extra accessories. For example, very important, get yourself a reflector. You need one of these reflectors, guys. This is for the light. Very, very important that you get yourself one that can give you different colors. For example, right here we have the gold one. You see reflection on it. We also have the silver one, pretty strong one, and then we have, the black one. These are for like indoor ones, but for the outdoors, these are very, very good. Make sure you get yourself one of these, and it does not hurt to also bring with you some accessories like a rose, because you can always ask your model to hold the rose while you take a few pictures. Get creative with it. Bring a stabilizer, because it's good also to record a little bit. You could do a video story. Videography is also good and fun. And last but not least, guys, you need a tripod. A tripod is very important, because once you want to take that zoom lens shot, you're not going to get no shake on the picture. So make sure you guys get all these accessories, okay? Let's go see how this photo shoot goes. Let's have some fun with it. Everybody say hello to my assistant. She's going to be helping with the production today. Come over here. You're going to make a lot of money in this business, okay? Do you get allowance? No? Yeah. You do? Oh, okay, good. Come. So basically, we're just going to get the reflection of the sun to hit the model right now. Right there, come here. Right there, hold it right there. Right there. Do not move. Do not move it, okay? Everybody look over here, come over here. You see this? They say never take candy away from a baby, but they never said anything about the crown. Stay right here for a second, okay? There we go. Okay, switch assistants, come here. Yay. Guys, this is the other assistant. She's gonna be helping out. Come over here. Alright? And guys, just so you know what the motto is. They never said anything about taking candy away from the baby. Did they say anything about the glasses?
You already said that. No.
Just one.
Oh my God.
Just one. One of the things about shooting models is that there's a challenge. As you look at this model right here, you notice there's a beautiful red rose. My challenge as a photographer is to make sure that the model always looks better than the rose. Stay tuned. Exactly. 1, 2, 3. Guys, right now we're gonna do the bubble photo shoot. Here's how it works. You gonna hold this for me? Here we go. Can you believe I have to carry the model because she does not want to walk? I think the least she can do, guys, is subscribe to PRINCIPETV. Don't you guys think? Look at this, because she does not want to walk. Look at her high heels.
Yo creo que te sigo en TV.
Oh yeah?
En TV, no, en YouTube.
Yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to PRINCIPETV. Erica, you be liking all my videos?
No, I don't be watching your videos.
Seriously? I'm gonna unsubscribe her. I take pictures of this model, and the least you can do is watch my videos. I'm gonna drop her off right here, as a matter of fact. We got this. We're here, guys. We're here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more videos. We out.